Why do we snore? Snoring arises when the muscles in the throat relax too much. The pressure will cause the uvula and soft palate to vibrate. How to use Asonor. Pump 4 times in each nostril. Important, you must feel the solution in your throat. Asonor lubricates and softens the mucous membranes in the throat, whilst also slightly tightening the musculature. Breathing becomes easy and unobstructed, and you stop snoring. Award-winning, clinically proven, stop snoring, start sleeping. Asonor.